seek to know the stars and trace their courses near and far, who chart the moon, the sun's descent, and map the heavens firmament. If you would truly grasp their lore, let not your soul be blind at core, for water, skies, and spinning spheres, if you remain unchanged by years. To name the stars but scorn the good is to carve ice and call it wood, for knowledge cold without the flame will fail to guide or cleanse or name. So look not upward with proud eyes, but inward where the true light lies. Let virtue teach what stars began, and make the soul reflect the plan.